Just want to welcome you into my kitchen and show you a little bit of what Super Sope is all about. I am Karina Stringfellow, owner and executive chef of Super Sope. It is an upcoming catering company, future food truck, food trailer, we don't know. A Mexican sope is an authentic handmade corn shell. It's made out of corn masa flour. We make it into a shell, we deep fry it to perfection, and then we top that with our fresh toppings, delicious meats, and authentic house-made salsas. We also serve Mexican quesadillas, which they are more of an empanada style, stuffed with Monterey Jack cheese. How we ended up on the Food Network was very simple. I thought to myself, this could be amazing on a bigger level. Let's see what we can do if we were on a show such as the Great Food Truck Race on the Food Network. I applied and they really were very excited to have us on. What you see on the show as far as us stressing out and really going out there and selling our product is all real. Can't wait for you guys to watch us. It's gonna be airing spring of 2020 on the Great Food Truck Race on the Food Network.